Hi guys, in this video we are going to be talking about mql4, which means Meta Quote Language 4. It's an integrated programming language for developing trading strategy, allowing you to create trading robots, technical indicators, scripts and function libraries for use on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. All these instruments significantly enhance traders' ability when trading forex. So basically, this is the coding language that is used to create robots that trade on your behalf. So that is what Meta Quote Language 4 is. So what is EA? EA means Expert Advisor, are programs that run on the MetaTrader 4 platform used for monitoring and trading financial market using algorithm. They find opportunities according to the parameters you set, then either notify you or open a position automatically. So basically, these are bots that you can either download from the MetaTrader store or you can get online. Then you can now upload it into your MetaTrader 4, then use it to trade. But you need to set the parameters, so which means you have to have some experience in trading, or someone that can help you in choosing the right parameters so that you don't make loss in your forex trading, like lose all your money. Now, these are some of the things I took note of when we're talking about mql4. That's the programming language used to design Expert Advisor, that's the robot used to trade on your behalf. One, it's an object-oriented high-level programming language. 2, written automate trading strategy, custom techniques. 3, it allows not only to write a variety of expert systems designed to operate in real time, so which means it gives you the information. You're given information as it's going on right there in the forex market, and this is really good because it's one of the things you need as a trader. You need to get the information as it's happening in the market so that you can make right decisions. Why do people use Expert Advisor? Well, very simple. These are some of the reasons. Number one is time saving. Since the robots trade on your behalf, you don't exactly need to stay in front of your MetaTrader 4 and be studying the trend, looking at different market, wondering which one you should enter. 2 is emotionless trading. Number 3 is flexibility. And number 4 is back testing. The number 5 is accessibility. Now, these are some of the reasons why people use Expert Advisor. Okay, now let's talk about mql4 a bit. Now, mql4 is based on the concept of the popular programming language C++. The language has enumeration, structure, classes and event handling. By increasing the number of embedded main types, the interactions of execution programming in mql4 with other applications through DLL is now as easy as possible. mql4 syntax is similar to the syntax of C++, and this makes it easy to translate into its program from modern programming languages. Now, comparing the syntax of mql4 and C++, we can see that there are some differences in it. Like, let's go right. It says yes, as to the syntax, the mql4 language for programming trading strategy is very much similar to the C++ programming language, except for some features. Number 1 is no address arithmetic. Number 2 is no gutter operation. Number 3 is an anonymous enumeration can't be declared. And number 4 is no multiple inheritance. So right now, if you are thinking of learning the language mql4, you have to know about the data type. This is very important, especially when it comes to programming language. You need to know how to use the data types and how they function. So let's talk about it a little. Any programming operator with data can be of different types depending on their purpose. For example, integer data are used to access to array, component, price data belonging to those of double precision with floating points. This is related to the fact that no special data type for price. Data is provided in mql4. The basic data types are integer, logic, literal, string, float, double, float, color, date and time, and enumeration. Now let's talk about the tools that you're going to use to write your code. So where will you start writing your code? Well, let me tell you about where you can start writing your code. Now, once you have MetaTrader 4, you already have the mql4, the editor, where you can start coding or writing your script. Now, let's go right into it. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so right now, if you want to start coding, what you need to do is, one, you need to download MetaTrader 4 or 5, depending which expert advisor you want to start creating, you want to create or want to code. So you can start with MetaTrader 4 if that's what you want to. So let's come right here and type meta. Okay, made a mistake here. That's A. So right, that's it, meta editor. So this is right here. So once you click on it, so right here is going to open up. So this is right here. Then you come to this corner, new, click on it. So now, depending on what you want to create, you want to create an expert advisor, a custom indicator, script library, or a new class, Python script, database. So you just choose here which one you want to work on. So I'm just going to remove this for now. Then you can also create a subfolder right here by right clicking. You can now create new folder right here where you can keep your script. Another way you can get into the meta editor, let me just close here. It's from now another way you can get to the meta editor is from MetaTrader 4 itself. So if you have MetaTrader 4, just come right here. You see it says meta quote language editor. So you can also just press F4 on your keyboard or click right here. Once you click right here, it automatically takes you back to the meta quote language meta editor. So automatically we're back here to meta editor. So this is the editor where you're going to write your code. So let's close this. I hope this was helpful to you, and if this was helpful to you, please subscribe and like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.